Wugas, what's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. Okay, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I really appreciate it. I'm going to get this thing started. I'm going to say my prayer and I'm going to get to eating. Amen. Now, you see what I have. I had a taste for a corned beef sandwich, and that's what I got, and some fries. I got a pickle. I got some coleslaw right here. You know, I went to this hotel up the street that had this, and then it's a little nice little spot, and I decided to go ahead over there and get it again because they have a little lounge area in there, and you know, one day after me and a friend of mine went to the store, we went over there and got something to eat. And that was my first time going over there eating, and I really loved it. So here I am sharing it with you guys, okay? Now, I have to go to work, so I'm going to just go ahead and get started so I can put something on my stomach before work. Let me do my thumb. I got a $5,000 dressing because I like, you know, this is good. It really is. You know what those packets that? Got my salt and pepper packets. And little thing they give you, so I'm gonna try getting up to get the salt and pepper. So I'm gonna put some of this on the fire. Put some of that on the fries, right? The ketchup right here. Oh, and I also like the slaw. The coleslaw was good. So, but I was feeling this corned beef, right? Oh man, I ain't even give y'all a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. How y'all doing today? What y'all want to eat? What y'all want to eat today? I'm hungry. I couldn't wait to get this. See, I like corned beef, but it has to be cut really thin. You know. Now on the fry with some ketchup. No. Yeah, I missed it. I had my little ponytail out yesterday. I mean, was it yesterday? Yeah. And I had to put it back because it's snowing. Well, it was snowing. It was snowing, but no. I just can't wear my hair out, y'all. It don't do well with that type of weather. It just don't. It get all frizzy. Well, I got a lot of hair. See? Yeah. I want to put $1,000 dressing on there like that. Here. Not too much talking, y'all. Not too much talking. Y'all better go get y'all corned beef. No, a Ruben. Go get y'all Ruben some fried pickle and some slaw. And a $5,000 dressing. I ain't gotta act like this, do I? But dip that in there. That one. And you know, pork. long as y'all can see what I'm eating, I'll show it to y'all. I'll try to make it look all beautiful, y'all. I don't know. Make it all beautiful for y'all. I'm sorry, y'all want some coleslaw? I want some slaw? If you like slaw, or yeah. Let me get that. Look that up. It's good. All right. See that? When I had it before, I couldn't finish it all. Okay. Okay. It was too much. What's going on, my Suga Wugas? Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Let me know you was over here. Let me know you was over here. What you think about this corned beef sandwich? I keep saying corned beef, but it's a Ruben. You know what I mean? It's corned beef, but no. Put my pickle. Bite. Pickle. All the fries. Yeah, you know I ain't gonna eat all the fries. Nope. Concentrate on this Ruben. Ruben. Yep. I gotta work. I'm really sleepy. Why I do this to myself? Why I do this to myself? Huh? I think it was. What's that? Oh, that's my. I just realized. Well, whew. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know Sugar Mama be getting out of breath. Calm down. Woo. Now that means I can take a bite. Pickle. When y'all gonna see this? Excuse me. I have no idea, y'all. Trying to make it work. I love y'all. The little bit that I have, I love y'all. I do. Slow progress is better than no progress. That's it. Because I'm sure moving slow. I'm trying to tell you. I don't mean to, but The way my life is set up, y'all. The way my life is set up. Hard out here. It's hard. I say that often. I know, but it is. It is. No. Maybe this will give me some energy. Give me some energy. No, but Pepsi, I was already drinking on this, so. Need to wash it down. Woo! I know that wasn't good, but excuse me. Oh, look at this, y'all. Let me find out. I ate all my sandwiches. I really did. I ate it all. You know, y'all don't think I be struggling. I be struggling. I'm full. Yes, I am. But I wanted this real bad. I was waiting for it. I'm about to dip it in there. I will. Pickle. That hit the spot, y'all. That hit the spot. You know what I mean? I really did. I needed that. I always wait too long to eat. You know? How many below of y'all be waiting too long to eat sometimes? Y'all, it took a long time just to get to 300 subscribers. And I ain't even there yet. I need about 6 more. 6 more. I'm thankful though. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for the little bit I got. I sure am. I'm really not in a race. But I don't mind moving a little slow. I mean, I didn't even think I was going to really get into this like this, but I love y'all. So, I got to give y'all something when I can. My little bit of subscribers. But I sure do, I be watching y'all. I be watching y'all. Let me see if I can, next time I come back, I'm gonna name a whole lot of y'all that I be watching daily through in between my rides. Y'all keep me going. Y'all keep me going. Give me something to watch, you know? Watch and listen to. You see me? Let me drink some more in there. I was about to get up, like y'all really sitting there. I was about to get up, like y'all was right there, right here with me. But y'all not. So wait a minute, hold up. I be tripping, y'all. Trying to tell y'all. Put that right there now. That's all gone. Okay, my sugar, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, share, let everybody know what Sugar Mama doing over here on this channel. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Okay, you know I'm not gonna leave y'all without giving y'all a great big hug for you and for me. Okay? See y'all on my next video.